Your heart has a silent enemy, one you can't see, can't feel, but lives inside every heartbeat. It's not age, it's not stress, it's something happening deep inside your cells, where your heart's energy is slowly slipping away. But what if the real cause of heart troubles wasn't your lifestyle at all, but the fading power within your mitochondria? Inside each of your heart cells are tiny power generators, 5,000 in every single one. Their job is simple, to keep your heart beating strong and steady. But after age 30, these power generators weaken. They produce less energy, they struggle, and this struggle begins a chain reaction: fatigue, rising blood pressure, thickening plaque, and eventually, heart failure. Doctors see the symptoms, but few talk about the cause. Yet halfway across the world, researchers discovered something unusual. People who lived long, worked long hours, faced intense stress, but somehow maintained strong, youthful hearts. Their secret wasn't diet, wasn't exercise. It was the rare nutrients supporting their mitochondria. That discovery led to a breakthrough known as Cardioclear 7, a natural heart support formula built around compound CSP, a fusion of CoQ10, PQQ, and Shilajit. 3 nutrients with one purpose: to restore the power your heart has been losing. CoQ10, shown in clinical research to reduce heart attack risk by 43% by stopping plaque formation at the source. PQQ, the only nutrient known to create new mitochondria, giving your heart fresh energy factories. Shilajit, the ancient mineral that supercharges CoQ10 by 144%, awakening your heart's natural strength. Together, they don't mask symptoms. They fix the root problem: cellular energy, oxidative stress, mitochondrial decline. Think about this. Your heart has been working since the day you were born, over 3 billion beats, never taking a break, never asking for thanks. And yet, most people never realize when those beats start getting weaker. They just feel tired, foggy, slower, older. But your heart doesn't have to age as fast as the world says it will. There is still time to give it strength, clarity, and life. Cardioclear 7 helps your heart clear artery plaque naturally, reduce heart attack risk, support healthy blood pressure, increase energy in every heartbeat, improve mental clarity and focus, strengthen your cardiovascular system, restore youthful mitochondrial power. This isn't a quick fix, it's a rebuild, a restoration, a return to the way your heart once worked, all from one capsule, once a day. Your heart doesn't ask for much, just the energy to keep going, to keep beating for the moments you still haven't lived, the people you love, the dreams you haven't reached. Cardioclear 7 gives your heart that chance, the chance to beat stronger, longer, and with more life than before. Clear your arteries, boost your energy, protect your future. Discover Cardioclear 7 and give your heart the strength to keep telling your story.